Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I believe that sun protection should be easy to use, but also stylish. This is my sun hat from FURTAK, and it has been indispensable for me anywhere where I am in the sun. Now, not only does it roll up and store into practically nothing, so I can keep it with me everywhere I go, in my purse, in my luggage, no matter what. It gives you excellent protection because it has a wide brim. The best part is there's room if you have long hair for your messy bun or ponytail at the top. So sometimes when I'm wearing a hat, I get a headache because I have to stuff my hair inside it or it just doesn't look right. And that's not going to happen with this sun visor from FURTAK. And because it has that little Velcro tab in the back, it is adjustable. So no matter where you may be or how windy it is, you don't have to worry about losing your sun protection or your hat, because everywhere I've taken this, even in strong winds, this hat does not budge. But it's not squeezing my head and it's not giving me a headache. It's very easy to adjust. And because it has that wide brim, I get plenty of shade and sun protection. It's breathable. I can stuff my hair up at the top. It's just has so many features that I love. So this is the hat I am always reaching for. It's literally perfect. And that is my point of view.